Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 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 5 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now, I'm first going to factor out 5 to the power of x from this. So we get 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of x is 1 plus, same thing over here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and finally plus 1. And this is equal to 2. Now, if we simplify what's in the parentheses, we get 5. We get 5 to the power of x times 5 is equal to 2. Now, I'm going to divide both sides by 5 to move this 5 to the right side. So now these two cancel out, and we get 5 to the power of x is equal to 2 over 5. Now I'm actually going to take the log of both sides. So we get log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 2 over 5. Now, using the power property of logarithms, I can actually move this exponent to the front of the logarithm. So this would be x times log 5 is equal to log 2 over 5. Now I'm actually going to divide both sides by log 5. So these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log. And an important property of exponents is we can rewrite a fraction as the numerator, so log 2, minus log 5. And now we were dividing this with log 5. Now I can actually rewrite this as log 2 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. Now, log 5 over log 5, these two cancel out, and it's simply just 1. So we get log 2 over log 5 minus 1. Now, log 2 is approximately 0.3010. And log 5 is approximately 0.6990. And we are subtracting this with 1, and this is equal to negative 0.5694. So x is equal to negative 0.5694, and that is our answer.